The universe has something bigger in store for us. I know, I applaud it too, I say it too, but it isn't normal, right? You just want to be bummed out sometimes. But say you don't want to be bummed out. So, I don't always wake up under the rainbow. You know. Sometimes I have to wake up and make that rainbow. And that's really why I joined a girl band. Because when I don't wake up under the rainbow, they're so great. When I come out the bus, they're there, they got the garden hose sprayed up at the sun. And as the droplets of rain reflect, the sunlight reflects off the droplets, it makes a spectrum of colors, and it really does brighten my day. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
But there is a drought going on, by the way. You should know this. So when you don't want to be bummed out, there are 3 things that I do. It can take 6 months to do these 3 things. But it all boils down to cry, say thank you, and try again. There are 3 things I do when my life falls apart. Number 1, I cry my eyes out and dry up my heart. Not until I do this will my new life start. So that's the first thing that I do when my life falls apart. The second thing I do is I close both of my eyes and say my thank yous to each and every moment of my life. I go where I know the love is and let it fill me up inside. Gathering new strength from sorrow, I'm glad to be alive. Things are looking out. I know above the clouds the sun is shining. Things are looking out. Oh, love is still the answer, I'm relying on 3 little things. As I pause, I take a breath and bow, and I let the chapter end. I design my future bright, not by where my life has been. And I try again. Yes, I try again. Things are looking